demonstrated his long-term commitment to world peace. As a peace educator, his societal service is matchless and unparalleled. Sri Prem Rawat inspires audiences across the world to truly connect with their deepest self and life of fulfillment. Sri Prem Rawat has touched the lives of hundreds of millions of people with his relentless efforts spanning over 100 countries to bring a practical message to hope and peace to all, one person at a time. From boy prodigy, 70s teenage icon to global peace ambassador, Sri Prem Rawat has brought exceptionally clarity, inspiration and deep life learning to millions of people through his books, training, web content, media interviews and above all, his live events and speaking engagements. He has addressed audiences at various prestigious forums like United Nations, European Parliament, and universities including Harvard, Oxford, IIM, Ahmedabad, IIT Delhi, etc. His peace education program themed soft skill well-being program based on his lectures is used in over 1,500 educational institutions globally with over 400,000 people having already participated. It is also used over 890 prisons worldwide, helping to reduce e-offending across 80 countries and translated into 40 languages. The Prem Rawat Foundation's latest peace education program, EDU, is specifically designed for teachers and education. In 2023, alone Sri Prem Rawat has spoken to over 775 millions of people across all media, including TV, print, and radio. He is currently translated to Dubai, traveled to Dubai, UAE to introduce the peace education program to educators from across the world and launch the Arabic version of his best-selling book, Hear Yourself, How to Find a Peace in a Noisy World. The historic trip attracted attention from the international media outlets that are amplifying his insights and efforts to millions of people. In honoring Sri Prem Rawat, a complete humanitarian, we are honoring his notable contribution worldwide in improving health, increasing school age enrollment and dropping crime rates, thus enabling local economies to bloom. Chancellor Sir, I present to you Sri Prem Rawat and pray that he may be awarded the degree of Doctor of Letters, D.Litt. Honoris Causa of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Open University.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as Chancellor of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Open University, I admit you to the Doctor of Letters, Honoris Causa of this university on account of your eminence and attainments.
अब बोलने आ रहे हैं महाराज जी, अब बोलने आ रहे हैं।
Honorable Governor of Telangana and Chancellor of the University, Shri Jishnu Dev Varmaji, Professor Ghanta Chakatpani, Vice Chancellor of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Open University, respected faculty and staff of the university, fellow graduating students, distinguished guests. I would like to take this opportunity, first of all, to thank all those who have allowed this day to come forth, to be able to have this honor bestowed upon me. Most importantly, the way I see it is that these institutions, like this university, they open up doors and they provide tools to the students, giving them the opportunity to create whatever they want to create in their lives. Not just one thing, they can do whatever they want. And these are people who come from places and backgrounds where not that many doors are open to them. So the significance of this university opening these doors to those underprivileged people is amazing, noteworthy, and incredible that they can climb forward and be at the forefront of the society, not in the background. This is my privilege to be a part, in some little way, of this institution, because I too try to open doors. This is what I do. I try to open doors not to commerce, not to innovation outside, but the innovation inside. I open doors to peace. I open doors to the human potential. And so, in one way, we have both a very, very profound objective that we are fulfilling. So thank you again, and thank you very much for this opportunity.
When the candidates stand for award of PhD, MPhil, PG,